We've created the cold audience, the warm audience, and we're about to create the hot audience, which is people that have visited your website or people whose contact details you have, which you can upload as a custom audience. Stay tuned. This is the most profitable audience for you to do your Facebook advertising, and it's going to be well worth your time. Hot audience, here we go. So what you can see now is the ads manager. As per the previous two segments, cold and warm, we're going to click audiences. We're then going to click into custom audiences again, once it loads. And there's two methods, two custom audiences we can create to form our overall hot audience. And it's going to be uploading a customer file or using website traffic collected by a Facebook pixel. So first of all, as you can see, if you have MailChimp, thumbs up, you can straight away log into MailChimp, select your list, and then match the MailChimp list to the Facebook users that it can. The alternative is clicking to upload a file, a database file, which can be in the format of a CSV or a text file. Now, normally what you would have done to collect this information is either create, for example, a lead magnet, which is something of high value in exchange for people's contact details. It could be top 5 mistakes made by X, and obviously people would want to know what those mistakes are if they're in your target audience, if X is in your target audience. And so, yeah, you get their contact details, i.e. their, hopefully their mobile and email. And then what you can do is upload this data to Facebook. Facebook's going to match about 70, 80% of it, generally speaking. So if you upload 1,000 leads, you might have an audience there of about 700 people to then target with your ads. The alternative to uploading is just simply copying and pasting that data. So you can imagine how powerful that would be if, for example, you're targeting leads, i.e. people who aren't yet customers, or even just uploading people who have subscribed to your email database, your newsletter database rather. Some people have even exported their LinkedIn contacts to the Facebook Ads Manager, created a custom audience of them as well. So do your own due diligence on the rules and regulations for doing this. Generally speaking, ideally you have wanted consent, but yeah, I'm just kind of showing you the options more or less. So one option is obviously to upload the data to Facebook of mobile and phone and other information as well, as you'll see when you do it. Then you've also got website traffic. So for this, you will have needed to implement a Facebook pixel. I'll show you how to do that in another video. But what you can do is retarget people that have visited your website for up to the last 180 days or about 6 months. So that can be all website visitors across all of your pages, or you can get specific here, as you can see, and select people who have visited a particular page on your website. And obviously it makes sense there if someone visits a specific product or a specific service, that you can retarget them with more information about that product or service. So let me just click back here again. So yeah, they're the two primary methods that you can use to create your hot audience. So after you've created the customer file and you've created the website traffic, you then head back into saved audiences here, and then you create an audience of those two particular custom audiences here. You click custom audience, you select those two that I just mentioned, and then you might save this as your hot audience. Now, super important that you do this because these are the people that are the furthest down your customer journey and therefore your most profitable. Any questions? Shoot them in the comments below or send me a message.